we have a Hohner Concerto II accordion in red. It has 34 keys in the treble with 72 bass buttons, with 2 reeds in the treble, 2 middle reeds. We have 3 switches on the treble side. 2 of those are clarinet. And the middle one is your musette. On the bass, we have 72 buttons, which means we have a counterbass row, bass, major, minor, 7th, and diminished. So this would actually be a perfect accordion for somebody that is upgrading from a 12 bass, or somebody that just wants to have a very lightweight accordion with a nice musette. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.